All right, here we go. This is good. So for those of you who are watching the Facebook Live, we had some connectivity issues. Our apologies for that. So what we're watching is some authentic South Louisiana pecan pralines. And that's done by the one and only my mom, Dorothy Marie Guidry. Hello.
Hello.
Aïe.
Comment ça va?
Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Et toi? All right. And we got little man Hiddekel here.
What's up?
And we got little lady Stephanie.
So,
Oh, Lord have mercy. Y'all just damaged it. All right.
hold on, put me again.
And you got me right here. Hello, hello.
Hola.
All right.
Hello, ¿cómo estás?
All right. Okay. Calm down, everybody. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. All right. So let's get right back to our recipe here. So what we have, again, this is a can of evaporated milk that you can use. Most of you will see the carnation, but this is from Swiss. It doesn't matter the brand, really. It really doesn't. One whole can. We got 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of the white sugar that goes into this, and then we also have not a stick of real butter, but we have close to it, probably like 6 tablespoons, or that would be like 3/4 of a stick of butter. Now, Mom's been with this mixture here, been letting it cook. Being that you have milk and also the sugar, and she has it on. She has like on almost a medium-high heat here. This is setting on 5. So she's been letting this cook, letting this get to a boil, constantly using the spoon to move it around. Again, because it has milk in it, you don't want those proteins to cook and get real hard, and all of a sudden they start to burn at the bottom of your pan. So it's always best to keep this thing moving. That is the key. Praline is going to come out. The consistency of praline is almost like a stronger caramel, right?
Yeah.
It's it's in between a caramel and like a what is it? Oh gosh, I'm already forgetting right now. Like a toffee. So it's in between that.
Like
Yeah.
that.
So that's the consistency. So what she's going to do pretty soon, being that this is boiling, she's letting it boil. She's gonna put like a little drop of the praline into the cold water I have here, the little cold water test, and see if a bubble's gonna form. Not a bubble, but a ball.
Yeah, like a bowl.
See if a ball's gonna form. Now with
It's gonna make like a string and break.
Okay, look at that. You hear that? So we'll be getting to that eventually. So how long have you been cooking? You said letting this boil. This has been like what, 3 minutes, 4 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna do right now is just keep letting it boil.
Yeah, we got to.
So tell me this, Mom. So when was the first time, or I should say, how long you've been making the pecan pralines?
Oh, I've been making them ever since me and your daddy was married, you know.
So that's since 1969 you guys got married, huh?
Yeah.
I can't do the math, so you're looking at what, 48 years right now, huh?
49 years.
Yeah, gonna be 49 years you've been making these, huh?
Yeah.
So have you made any other flavors of the pecan praline? Like you've done some without pecans?
Yeah, and I also made some peanut butter one too.
Peanut butter pralines?
Yeah.
Wow. So if you're making peanut butter pralines, would you use basically the same recipe here?
Just about. Not as much of this here, but because I have to put the peanut butter in it, you know, and it's gonna make it thicker, you know. But the sugar would be about the same amount.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you adjust your butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you already have a fat that's already going in there.
Yes.
Okay, so you adjust the butter. Okay. So that come out okay? The peanut butter pralines?
And then you can also add some chocolate.
Oh, so have like a chocolate pralines then.
Yes.
Now they have some folks that, you go to New Orleans and then what they like to do is put like a liquor in it, like
Yeah.
bourbon.
Yes.
Like a bourbon or even like a rum flavored. You tried that before?
Not really. I always did. I like vanilla flavor.
Okay, like vanilla flavor that would go into this. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I mean, this was from my mama.
Okay. Okay, so this was your mama's recipe then?
Yes.
E Frazie.
And I said she wouldn't let me cook, but I watched her.
So you watched her, huh? And that's not the only thing you learned how to cook, no doubt, from your mom.
No,
Many other things.
And I mean, I always watched her because I wanted to do whatever she done, you know.
Oh, very good.
So,
About how much longer you think you have here?
maybe it's cooking good now.
Yeah. So that really takes a discipline there to keep moving the spoon.
Yeah.
Moving the spoon over some medium heat for we're talking possibly, you know, 7, 8, 10 minutes there.
I'm gonna add my pecans in it.
Now, how many pecans you think that is that you add to this recipe?
It's about a cup and a half.
About a cup and a half of pecans here.
But you know, you can add more.
Now, notice what Mom did. She just broke those up with her hand. These are pecan halves that are already shelled. Got them from Alabama. And obviously, if you want to crush your pecans beforehand, you want to put whole pecans, it's up to you.
Yes.
But yeah, we appreciate it. We don't care how. Well, good, real good.
It's really coming out real good. Right. It's gonna be pretty soon. It'll be done. See the consistency of it.
So it's starting to like thicken up a little bit.
That's it.
So when she picks up the spoon with some of the mixture in it, it's almost like forming, almost like a bead. Well, it is already forming a bead. So it's those proteins and that's solidifying with the fat. There's a term for it right now, which I'm sure some of you scientists out there could already figured it out. I already forgot. Emulsification, it's called.
Mm-hmm.
So very good. So she's continuing to apply the heat to this mixture. Very good. Now she's probably been at it probably about 12, we'll say 12, 13 minutes right now. So that takes it's a little discipline.
I'm just gonna add a little bit.
So she's going to go ahead and do that ball test. She's gonna pour. What do you think?
No, not quite.
Not quite. Almost what you want, because this is cold water here that she has in the bowl. So when she would drop that, little string or that little bead of praline mixture into it, it should almost be standing. Should almost have like a peak, correct?
Yes, like a bowl.
Almost like a ball it'll form. So this one right now, as you can see, it's still kind of like fell apart in there.
It's coming along.
But it is coming along. Again, this is quite a discipline. But you know, when you have things like love backing up that discipline, desire, and also a good sweet tooth. Oh yeah, a lot of good things always come out. So good. I'm glad to see that.
And before you know it, it's gonna be maybe, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes.
All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and stop this video, and we're going to try it again to do the Facebook Live, but we're going to stop for now, okay? Thank you so much for your attention. This has been Dale, and again, thank you for your attention, and we're going to get right back with a live in a bit. Thank you. Bye-bye.